If you ask me what's going to create the most real-world impact for Pi Network, my answer is payments, peer-to-peer payments and merchant adoption. And I think once you hear the case I'm about to make, it's going to be hard to argue with. Here's what you must know. So let me take you back to the core idea behind Pi Network. It was never built to be a speculative asset. It was built to be a digital currency that regular people could actually use. That's the whole foundation. Now, while much of the community has been absorbed by discussions around decentralized exchanges, value, trading volume, and the fake GCV value, the Pi core team is prioritizing something far more fundamental in 2026, building a functional payment ecosystem that drives real economic activity. Payments first, utility first. And this reasoning is solid. Cryptocurrency markets are always ups and downs. But by focusing on payments, Pi ensures that Picoin becomes a functional currency rather than just a tradable token. That's the difference between a coin people hold and a coin people actually use. Now, here's where it gets practical. Pi doesn't just have the vision for payments. It's been quietly building further. And peer-to-peer transactions demonstrate practical value, enabling users to send and receive Picoin for goods, services, or peer-to-peer settlements. The combination of mobile accessibility, verified identities, and blockchain infrastructure ensures that transactions are both user-friendly and secure. Now, that last part, verified identities, is actually huge. Most crypto networks have no idea who their users are. Pi does. With over 14 million KYC-verified Pi coin holders. That means when you send Pi to someone, it's a real person on the other end. That's a feature that most blockchains can't offer, and it's directly relevant for commerce. Pi's mainnet also facilitates seamless cross-border peer-to-peer transactions. By leveraging Picoin, users can transfer value internationally without relying on traditional banking infrastructure, particularly valuable in regions with limited access to financial services. Now, the piece that makes payments truly powerful is merchants, because a currency is only as useful as the number of places you can spend it. Pi Network has been connecting pioneers with local merchants and approved applications on mainnet commerce that are already accepting Pi payments, reinforcing its utility-first narrative. With more merchants accepting Pi, there's more reason for pioneers to spend Pi. More spending means Pi circulates faster. Faster circulation means stronger demand. Stronger demand means more merchants want to accept it. You see how that works? The concept of Pi-only payments is supported by wallet applications, node validation, and smart contract capabilities, with Soroban smart contracts enabling programmable payments, automatic settlement, and identity-aware accounting. So even the smart contract layer, when it comes online, feeds directly into the payments story. Subscriptions, automatic settlements, recurring business payments, all of it builds on top of the payment foundation. Payments are forever. Every single day, every person on Earth needs to pay for something. Food, transport, services. If Pi becomes the currency people reach for in those moments, even for just a fraction of Pi's 60 million users, that's the kind of adoption that changes everything. Whether for micropayments, merchant transactions, or cross-border exchanges, Pi's infrastructure allows for rapid, secure, and cost-effective transfers. As pioneers increasingly use Picoin in real-world transactions, the network demonstrates that cryptocurrency can be a practical medium of exchange beyond speculative markets. So, what do you think? Let me hear from you in the comments and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video.